Okay, let's look at converting fractions into decimals. So how are we going to write this as a decimal? It'll have to be 0 point something something something. The way we do it is with long division. So we're going to take the number at the top, and the 5 stands on the outside. So basically what we have here is 5 divided into 3. 5 divided into 3. Okay. And let's see what 3/5 is going to be equal to. Let's put 5 into 3. 5 divided into 3 is 0 times. Let's put a decimal there because it would line up with where it was in the whole number. 0 times 5 is 0. Now our minus. 3 minus 0 is 3. I'm going to add a 0 to bring down. 5 into 30, we know, goes 6 times. 6 times 5 is 30. 30 minus 30 is 0. So 3/5 is equal to 0.6. There's the answer. Do you see that that looks quite easy? Right, let's practice another one. We're going to divide 6 into 5. 6 into 5. We need to work out what 5/6 is as a decimal. We know 6 goes into 5 0 times, and the decimal would have been there, so we're going to put it up at the top. It always comes after the whole number. 0 times 6 is 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. Now we're going to add a 0 to bring down. You know this work because we've done them in previous lectures. 6 goes into 50, probably about 8 times. 8 times 6 is 48. Now our minus. 10 minus 8 is 2. Let's put another 0 there to bring down. 6 into 20 would go 3 times. 3 times 6 is 18. And 20 minus 18 is 2. Let's put another 0 there to bring down. We'll just take it to 3 decimal places. 6 into 20 would go again 3 times. 3 times 6 is 18. 20 minus 18 is 2. I'm going to take it to 1 decimal place because I want to show you something. We'll bring down another 0 so we can do one more divide round. 6 into 20 would go 3 times again. 3 times 6 is 18 again. 20 minus 18 is 2 again. I'll stop it there. What I want to show you is that 3 is repeating itself here. That's what we call a recurring digit. So this answer is 8 and then 3, 3, 3, and it'll go on forever probably. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So the way we're going to write that as professionals is like this. 0.83, and you put a little line on top of the 3 to tell the person reading it that it's 0.833333. It goes on like that. So that actually is just a better way of writing it. So our answer here equals 0.83 with a little recurring line on top of it. That was what 5/6 is in terms of decimals. Now you're going to do this one. You're going to work out what 4/8 is. You're going to divide 8 into 4. 8 into 4. Don't forget to put your decimal place in your answer. Decimal place. It'll come after the whole number here, so you're going to simply take it up into the answer. Right, you're going to press pause. You're going to copy this down, and you're going to do it on paper at home. And then you're going to come back and press play. I'll see you just now. Okay, so you're back. Let's have a look at it. Okay, so 8 will go into 4. These are decimal points, so let's put it there. 8 will go into 4 0 times. 0 times 8 is 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. Let's put a 0 there to bring down. 8 goes into 40 5 times. 5 times 8 is 40. 40 minus 40 is 0. And you've actually completed your work already. 4 over 8 is equal to 0.5. And that is correct because look here. This is actually half. 4 is half of 8. And that's how we write a half in decimals. Hope you got that right. You need to do lots of practice with this. Anytime you have to convert a fraction into a decimal, you're going to do division. You're always going to take the bottom of the fraction and divide it into the top using the box method like we have over here. Okay, well done.